How did you use media technologies in the construction and research and planning and evaluating process? There were many different ways in which we used different media technologies throughout the whole process of this project during the planning and researching process, and then also through the creating and evaluating process. The main technologies we used throughout the whole research and planning process were editions of Web 2.0, creating different presentations to document all of our research and findings. We documented all of our research on an online blogging website called Posterous.com. This enables us to have all of our work documented together so that we could see it easily and get to it all easily. Prezi is an online presentation tool that I used a lot to document my findings while researching what I'd like to use in my project. It's a zooming presentation tool where you can add different effects to a presentation and then embed it onto a blog to make your blog just look that little bit more technical. SlideRocket is a website I personally discovered. It is one of the online presentation tools that helps you create different and unique presentations that you can embed onto your blog also, while also keeping the same themes and ideas to keep continuity between your work. Throughout the creating part of our project, we also used a lot of different media technology. Filming our music video, we used a Canon MD101 video camera to capture all of our footage. We then captured our footage onto a Windows 7 computer ready to edit. We have a lot of jump cuts and stop frame editing in our video. We also used a digital stills Canon camera D500 SLR. We use this to take various different shots of our dancers to incorporate into our video. We also use the SLR to create photos that we were going to use for our digipack. Came down to the editing process of the project, we used a program called Adobe Premiere. We used this to edit together all of our video using lots of different editing techniques like jump cuts and split screen shots. When it came to creating the digipack, we used a program called Adobe Photoshop CS 5.1. Here is a video of me creating the back album cover using a colour tool to colour in the tape so we have many different coloured tapes and then adding it onto the back cover. Throughout the whole of the evaluating process, I also used many different programs. When it came to the evaluating of the project, we put all of our findings together in videos using Windows Movie Maker. This then put all of our findings together in a much more interesting way, which made it far better to watch than just looking at a few pictures and reading some text. I also used a program called CamStudio. This is where you video everything you're doing on a computer screen. I used this so I could put it in my evaluation to show you all the different things that I've actually used. Rather than just telling you about them, I decided I could demonstrate them. Altogether, I feel I've used a lot of different media technologies to create this project. Although it was hard, it was a lot of fun using the experience on these different programs.